Alright, Drew, I promised to show you my computer, so let's take a look. This is the front. As you can see, it has all that nice stuff on it. You see, you got a thing that pops down, reveals all my USB on it, my fan controller right there. And then in here, you can see there's my other fan in there. At the top, put in an extra SSD card, whatever you want, hard drive, whatever. See, I got my two fans up here, 1, 2, and this is my wireless. This is the side of the computer. Remember I was talking to you about cable management? Well, that's what I mean about cable management right in there. See that? Let me see. Is there any way to turn on the light? Probably not, but there it goes. Here's the back of the case. You can see I got my other fan right there. All my stuff hooked up. I'm going over there to my screen. Okay, right here. This is the other side of the case. You can see in the inside, you can see all my wires. All nice and straight. Let me go ahead and open this for you. See, my case side comes off. And there you go, see that? Got my hard drive down there. Got my CD drive there. There's my RAM. There's my cooler. Up in here, that's my radiator. The one I said that was too long for your case that we're going to get you. The back of the case. My two cards, my GTX 460s right there. Power supply, as you can see, it's fully modular, which means you could take out all the cords if necessary. Another hard drive cage right there. And yeah, and you can see all my cords are all blacked out. See that? So those are all connected to my computer monitor there, and then my HD TV right there. And then there's my gaming mouse right there. And then here's my keyboard. Gaming keyboard. Let me go ahead and start it up for you. You can see how the little lights are starting to work now. My fan controller all working. So there you go. See that? Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. So yeah, that's my computer. And look at, I got your picture up here. See that? That's to you, Andy. That's to you. Let me get the glare out of it. There you are. See that? So yeah, that's mine. I'll send it to you right now. Later.